Logging into your Canva account is simple, and here is how you can do it. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your preferred PC. Then, in the search address bar, search for the canva.com. Now, once you are inside the official website of Canva, in the top right corner, you can see Login button available. Simply tap on the login. Now once you tap on the login, you can see that you can log in using your Google account, Facebook account or Apple ID. You can use any of these methods and tap on it and continue with it. But I have used my Google account previously, so I'm continuing with my Google. So now once done, you can see you have your Canva account accessed. But if you forgot your password, then you can also click on the forgot password on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.